Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here's another super easy last minute Halloween look with just a star on one side and a smoky eye on the other, and we've transformed ourselves into a rocker chick. So get all of your black clothing together, get your chokers, and keep on watching. Alright guys, to start off this look, I do have some foundation on. That's all I have applied. I'll go into concealer on this side of the face when I do a smoky eye, but right now we're going to focus on the star that's going on this side. So I have some black liquid liner, and now I'm just going to start to sketch out a star that covers this eye. It's always better to start smaller and slowly make the star bigger, because if you make it too big at the beginning and you mess up, it's just going to be a huge black mess on your face. Alright, and I think that star is about as good as we're going to get. I don't think I know anyone who can draw a perfect star anyways, so now I'm going to fill in this star. Okay, so my star is filled in, so now I'm just going to take some concealer and an angled brush and try to clean up some of the edges where I messed up. Okay, and now I'm just going to take some matte black eyeshadow and a packing brush and just put that on the star just to kind of set this liquid product in place so it doesn't smudge. Alright, so the star is complete, and now we can move on to the rest of the face. I'm going to take the NYX Tame and Frame Brow Pomade and just fill in my brows. Okay, so I just quickly filled in my brows using the NYX Tame and Frame pomade, and I just kind of went around the star point on this side and just filled in this one normally. So now we're going to go in and do a smoky eye on this eye. So I'm just going to use the same Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, and I'm going to take the color Henna, which is a pretty warm brown shade, and just blend that into the crease and kind of smoke it out. Okay, now I'm going to take Cocoa, which is a darker chocolate brown, and just push that into the outer V and into the crease to deepen it. And now I'm taking Black Truffle, which is the black shade, and just further defining my crease. Alright, now I'm just taking some Stila glitter in the color Diamond Dust and placing that on my lid. Perfect, and now we're just going to take a blending brush that is a little bit more compact and take some black and just blend that underneath the eye. Now I'm going to take a tapered blending brush and take the color Henna from before and just kind of blend underneath that black. It doesn't really matter how crazy our under eye looks right now because we haven't applied concealer yet, so we can clean that up. Now I'm just going to take my lash curler and apply some mascara. Alright, now I'm just going to take some concealer. I have the Catrice Liquid Camouflage Concealer and just put that under my eye and blend that out with the Beauty Blender. A good trick when doing this is just to kind of drag your Beauty Blender so that you get a nice clean line with your eyeshadow. Now I'm just going to take some loose powder from Maybelline and just set my under eye and just apply some powder to my smile lines and my chin and my lip. Alright, now I'm just going to contour using the Butter Bronzer, and I think I can contour my cheekbones on both sides without interfering with my star. Contour my forehead. And now I'm just going to add some blush from this Tarte Blush Book. I'm going to go in with the color Exhilarating, which is a hot pink. Now I'm going to highlight using the Moonchild palette from Anastasia, and I'm going to take the color Pink Heart and just apply that to my cheekbones. Any highlighter will do. Let's go down my nose and my Cupid's bow. And the last thing I have to do is apply a lip, so you can either do a black lip, but I think I'm going to go for a nice deep red lip today. I'm going to take the color Kristen from Kylie Cosmetics and apply that to my lips. Alright, so this look is complete. This is totally a last minute look you can do for Halloween. If you have some black eyeliner and all black attire, you can get out your fishnet tights, your chokers, and this look is set. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube. Check out my Instagram @SophiaDoingMakeup. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.